Today I'm going to show you how I make these Cranberry Spice bath bombs. These are the mini bath bombs, and I'm going to show you how I mix up all the mixture, and then I skipped the part where I use the bath bomb press just because it's super dusty and I didn't want my camera to get all dusty. So anyway, and then I'll show you how I paint on the top, and then we will do a test in the water to see how it performs in the water. So I'm not gonna show you how I unwrap this one because I just made it and I don't want to wrap it, so I'm just gonna show you how it drops into the water and it looks nice at the end. Yeah, and you can find these in my Etsy store or on my website. They have cocoa butter, shea butter. It's really nice for your skin. It's the perfect size for one bath, or if you have kids, it's perfect size for kids bath. I'm gonna show you. It also smells super good. It's like a spicy sweet scent because it's cranberry is a sweet, and then the spice is a little bit of cinnamon. I love this smell. It's like really nice year round. I don't know, it's kind of a winter scent, but I think it's great all year round. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I make these and then we'll test them in some water.
Okay, so first of all, I'm going to mix up all of the powders together. And then I add the cocoa butter and the shea butter and mix. And as it gets closer to being mixed all together, I like to scrape the sides of the bowl down just to make sure everything is mixed together carefully. Okay, now it's time to paint the bath bombs. I'm using a green and a gold mica mixed with a little rubbing alcohol, and that dries nice and beautiful.
like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks.